Specifically, one night we sat on a hill and we watched a sunset with a sky that almost looked exactly like this. Proposal sunset. A lot of big sunsets.
I was lost in my head.
I'm like the dark in the clouds on a rainy day. Oh, the fire in the hills and I'm here.
So one of the best, yeah. Yeah, just one of the best. You want me to take it?
What do you want to say? I didn't know it was happening.
And thank you to whoever ended up tying those, because obviously I did not.
we got you covered. We got you, girl. We got you.
Yeah, I'm rebels, and I always seem to fall on the wrong side of the law, 'cause I'm reckless.
I seriously am. We're doing it. Gotta keep reminding myself.
Your makeup looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks stunning.
Great. I'm so glad.
We all went sailing for a week down the British Virgin Islands. And every morning, besides singing the Percolator song with Alys, you know, and I'm not a morning guy, but you can't help but love it. I mean, it's just, percolator, percolator. I don't, she'd have to do it for you, believe me. She'd go, can it get any better than this? And I knew that Alex was thinking about proposing, thank you, apologizing, I don't know why. Sorry. Well, that's always good to do, Proposing that night, and she said that we were at a place called Cow Beach, remember? Alex looked at me and grinned, and I knew he was going to do it, and I just grinned back. It's so cool. So it was her, every day could it get any better than this, and that night was just phenomenal to be part of, can it get any better? Well, I got to tell you, today, I swear, and it's been a lot of work, but I got to tell you, it can't get any better.
Standing here with you, oh, I think I'm in love. Yeah, in love with trouble, 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 trouble. I think I'm in love with trouble.
The way you love, it changes you. I am undone. Nothing God wants again. Oh, I can't believe it.
Hi, Alex. Take you, Alys, to be my wife,
Giggle as early
and vow you'll never have to face the world alone,
possibly can.
even though I know you can.
And I'm definitely going to keep sneak attacking you with Gucci Goose.
Inasmuch you, Alex, and you, Alys, have consented together in the union of matrimony, and you have pledged your faith to each other in the presence of these witnesses, now by the authority vested in me in the state of Illinois, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Alex, you may kiss the bride.
Caught up in the moment, should've never told you. A little too much to drink. Love is such a strong word. Don't know where the lines blurred. It's making me start to think. Something in the way you look.
Good evening, everyone.
Tells me
Thank you for being here to celebrate Alex and Alys with us today. Don't mean the world without you. So, thank you. Special thank you to Bruce and Christine for hosting us. You guys put a lot into this, and it doesn't go unrecognized.
about an hour and 45 minutes. Presentation, slideshow. Anybody need to go to the bathroom really quick before I get started? We're good?
But go and say it anyway. I'm watching your eyes burn bright. Tell me am I crazy? Could it be that you really want me? 'Cause I believe something in the way.
I'm glad she got that on tape. Hey, I got nice butter.
Yeah, I know you feel it too.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Alex is a good man. That was the wrong speech. Hang on.
Nicely done. Now I need everybody to your feet. Everybody standing to your feet.
Baby, I know that you can feel it. Don't need to slow down, make out on the sofa. We can be hanging till midnight.
I need you guys to make some noise and start clapping those hands for our delivers. The new Mr. and Mrs. Alex and Alys Onward! Yes!